This video is another Q&A. This video is our... what is this video? Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be our weekly Q&A. Yeah, every Monday, I will upload a Q&A video for you guys. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung mga previous Q&A videos ko, I will leave the link below. Thank you nga pala so much for the great feedback about my Q&A videos. I appreciate it. Okay, first question is from Rewind Amelin Lopez. Bakit po ang dami nyo naiwan sa Cayman? Nagmadali ka po bang umuwi ng Pilipinas? Hindi ako nagmadali umuwi. Before pa lang ako pumunta doon, may ticket na ako pabalik. Though na-change siya many times. But yeah, it was planned na uwi talaga ako every year. Marami ako naiwan kasi sobrang dami kong gamit, you guys. Hindi siya magkasya sa luggage na dala ko. I think I had one huge luggage tapos dalawang maliliit na luggages. Hindi siya magkasya at all. And I was also thinking na baka magbago yung isip ko at bumalik ako. At least meron akong damit doon, diba? Hindi as in sobrang dami na ibabalik ko. From Eliza or Eliza Lazaro. Hi, Miss Rhaze. Ano po work niyo before? Paano po kayo nakapag-abroad? I worked as a I worked as a personal/executive assistant. So, assistant ako ng may-ari ng kumpanya na pinagtatrabahuan ko. And marami nagtatanong kung nag-agency ako or direct. So, it was direct. Kinuha ako ng amo ko talaga. Sabi niya, mag-open ako ng bagong kumpanya sa Cayman. And gusto ko na dun ka. So, nandun ako. And nandun na ako sa Cayman. Kumuha ako ng passport. No, not passport. Kumuha ako ng, ano ba tawag doon? Visa para makapunta ng US. And yeah, as in, lumipad talaga ako ng Jamaica, you guys. Jamaica para kumuha ng visa. Kasi yun yung pinakamalapit na country na merong US Embassy. So yan, nagpunta ako doon. Bongga. From Graciela Bar. How did you make your DIY lighting? Actually, marami sa inyo yung nagtanong nito. So, I'm gonna show you guys. You guys, this is so easy. So, basically, what you will need, instant DIY, bonggang-bongga. What you will need is a shoebox. I'm using this DIY lighting. I mean, not exactly this, but you know, similar to this right now. So, that's what I have on right now. This one, parang adapter ata siya. Para ganito yung itsura niya. Yung meron kang i-connect sa plug. Tapos, dito mo ilalagay yung ano mo, yung bulb mo. Depende na sa inyo yan. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ilang watts yung bulb na meron ako ngayon. You will also need an extension wire. I mean, depende sa inyo. I personally need one kasi malayo yung outlet sa pinaglagyan ko ng DIY lighting ko. Tapos, what you will do is mag-create ka ng butas dito sa shoebox mo, sa pinakagitna. Tapos, itong adapter mo, i-insert mo siya sa loob, like that. Tapos, yung akin, nilagyan ko ng glue, yung glue stick ganon dito para makonect yung ganito ko dito. You know? Dito mo ilalagay yung extension wire, which is this one right here. Tapos, ipa-plug mo siya sa outlet. Then, yung bulb mo, ilalagay mo dito ng bonggang-bongga. And there you go. You have a really freaking easy DIY lighting, you guys. So, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. From Carla Bianca Lagunera. Hi, ate. Ask ko lang po kung ano po reaction nyo sa opinion and comment ni Manny Pacquiao about sa LGBT and same-sex marriage. Ano pong stand nyo tungkol sa LGBT, anti-discrimination law, and same-sex relationship? Nung narinig ko yung issue na yon, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano nangyari. Sabi ko talaga na I don't really care. Sinabi sa akin ni Mr. Bear na, oh, have you read the news, whatever. And sabi ko, I don't really care. Pero nung nagpunta na ako sa Facebook, nabasa ko, as in napanood ko talaga, sabi ko, wow, that was harsh. Kahit na hindi ako bakla, hindi ako tomboy, na medyo na-offend ako sa sinabi niya. Kasi totoo yung sinabi ni Vice na hindi siya pinag-isipan nung sinabi niya yun. I respect his opinion though. I just didn't like the way he described it, pero I respect your opinion. I personally have no problem at all. Actually, nung nabalitaan ko na yung same-sex marriage is legal na sa lahat ng states sa US, I was like, yes, love wins. Bonggang-bongga. I mean, this is just my opinion ha, pero as an individual, you should have the right to be with someone you love. Like, magpapakasal ako sa kung sinong masaya ako, and alam ko na mahal ako, at mahal ko din naman ng bonggang-bongga. So, why not, diba? Yung mga LGBT natin na friends, they deserve happiness. They deserve to be with someone who they love, and they should be accepted. I mean, I accept you guys. You guys are the best. Yung mga baklang friends ko, sobrang sasaya kasama. As in, sobra. And you guys light up the room. You guys are awesome, you know? From Raziel Gallegos, super close ng pangalan natin, girl. Ate Rhaze, ano po gamit yung camera for filming and vlogging, video editor, lighting, etc.? My filming camera, the one that I'm using right now, is the Canon 1100D. My lighting, I just showed you a while ago. My vlogging camera is my phone. I have the iPhone 6. Editing software for my vlogs is the Live Movie Maker. For my beauty videos, I use Sony Vegas Pro 13. From Mary Jane Cara, wala ba kayong plano mag-design or arte-arte sa kwarto mo, Ate Rhaze? I actually have a lot of plans, especially nung pagkadating ko dito. Kaya lang, this room is not what I expected for it to be honest with you guys. Ano kasi, mahirap kasi nasa abroad ako nung ginawa yung bahay. It was hard to communicate, oh, what do you want for this? What do you want for that? Of course, I have plans for my room, but not at the moment kasi ang dami kong inaasikaso sa buhay ko na mas importante pa kaysa sa pagde-design ng kwarto ko. From Nicole Magsumbol, hello Ate Rhaze, tanong ko lang po kung what year ka graduate ng nursing and bakit di ka po nag-work as a nurse? 2010 ako graduate, so it's been what, 5 years? Oh my gosh, it's been a freaking long time. Hindi ako nag-work as a nurse because I saw way better opportunity not working as a nurse. Kung nag-nurse ako, hindi ako makapunta sa ilang bansa na ba napuntahan ko, diba? It was a choice of mine to not pursue the nursing career. Tinapos ko naman siya. Nag-take out ng board exam, I passed the board exam, and pagkatapos ko na mag-take ng board exam without knowing the result, nagtrabaho ko sa call center kasi I thought I was not gonna pass because it was really hard. And then after call center, nakahanap ako ng mas magandang opportunity. I would love to work as a nurse, but not here in the Philippines. From Casey Abelio, Ate Rhaze, how do you harvest your pet's hair? Do you shave, pluck, or wax? Right now, I use epilator. Nung bago pala ako nagka-hair there, I did plucking. Pagkatapos, I moved to shaving. And then, I did epilating for a really, really long time actually. I think I epilated for almost 2 years. After epilating, nag-laser ako. I did 8 sessions or maybe 9 sessions sa laser ko. And then now, I'm back to epilating. When I was doing laser treatment, I was also shaving kasi I wasn't allowed to wax it or to epilate it. So, kailangan ko lang siyang i-shave. So, kapag hindi pa time ng next session ko and meron akong mga hairs there, then I shave it. Please do let me know if you want to hear my story about my laser treatment. I would love to do a story time for you if you want to hear. From Precious Moments, hi Rhaze, may plan ka ba na mag-travel sa magagandang places dito sa Pilipinas? Oh yeah, ang dami kong plano. Char. Gustong-gusto ko. Kaya lang, wala akong kasama. Ayoko namang mag-isa. Abroad, okay lang na mag-isa ako. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, hindi ko kayang mag-travel mag-isa dito. Yeah, sobrang paranoid ko na tao. Feeling ko hindi talaga safe yung Pilipinas para sa akin. We actually travel a lot. I mean, not a lot, but you know, we traveled quite often. Nung nagtrabaho pa ako sa call center, I was with my friends. And yeah, nagpunta kami ng Bohol, Davao, Leyte. It was all great. Nagpunta kami sa Camotes Island dito sa Cebu. So, bonggang-bongga din naman yun. And I would love to do more of that as long as may kasama ako, diba? From CB Boy Rubiao, kinsa imong presidente? Who's my president? This is my opinion. This is my life. This is my right. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vote though because it's been I don't know how many years na hindi ako nakapagboto kasi lagi akong wala dito kapag eleksyon. But I'm gonna go for Duterte. It's your turn. Let me know kung sino yung gusto nyo i-boto below. From Patricia Bacayo, top 5 na pinaka-useful na apps para sa'yo. First of all, YouTube. Second is Pages. Yan yung app for Facebook page. And then Instagram. Music app ko na lagi kong ginagamit every single day talaga kapag naliligo ako. Free Music or Play Me. Facebook na lang siguro. Hindi ako gumagamit masyado ng personal Facebook ko eh. As in, wala talagang ganap sa personal Facebook ko. But yeah, I think that's the 5th. Let's just put that into the 5th place. From Jennifer Eugenio, hi Rhaze, me and my friends are going to Cebu sa August this year. Manghihingi sana ako ng suggestion sa iyo since taga dyan ka, anong affordable yet good quality hotel ang pwede namin pagstayhan at anong mga places sa Cebu ang mga ganda na pwede naman pasyalan. I am the worst sa Buona to be asked this question. Hindi ako lumalabas as you guys know. Mas marami pa akong alam sa Hong Kong kaysa sa Cebu. Nakapag-stay ako sa hotel once lang nung January sa Crown and I don't recommend Crown at all. Pero I do recommend you go to Oslo. It's a province somewhere south in Cebu and makikita mo doon yung mga blue whales na bonggang-bongga naman talaga. You can swim with them. Yun lang yung masishare ko. I'm so sorry. From Red Velasquez, ano mas prefer mo pag sa eyewear at Rhaze? Contact lenses or glasses? Hindi ko na kasi kaya ng walang contacts or glasses. So kapag nandito ako sa bahay, nag-glasses ako talaga. Pero kapag lumalabas kami, like pumunta kami sa mall, ganun, nagko-contacts ako. At kapag nag-film din ako ng videos, I wear my contacts. Kasi I need contacts or glasses in my life or else I cannot see you guys. So yeah, that's it for this weekly Q&A. Please do leave your questions below with the hashtag askrhaze if you want your question to be featured on my next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. As usual, do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye! Pero I do recommend you go to contact lenses or glasses. What the heck is going on with you? Pero I do